I don't think we're gonna be riding today. Oh my god. It's coming down pretty hard. Oh my god. God damn.
The only way we're getting people up is to drive them.
Oh, there he comes.
Probably not, I think, maybe, I don't know.
It's going down? Yeah.
It's fucking raining again.
I don't think anybody's coming today, fellas.
I hope not.
I hope it's good, grab my rain jacket.
You don't give a fuck.
Alright, Taylor. We're clearing trails. Ripping the damn rental today. The specialized status. Freaking looking bomber, alright. I don't even have my riding shoes on, dude. We're gonna see how she rips. Ah! Kicking the rocks into me. The suspension on this thing is set up so weird. The rebound is fast as hell. I'm not really a fast rebound guy, but we'll make it work. I really don't trust this bike. It's gonna be slow lap all the way down. All right. We're gonna do Uncle Chuck and the Yeti. Oh yeah. These brakes. Oh, never have been a fan of SRAM brakes, but they're actually not too bad if you get the top end ones, but these ones, the Code R's. Woo! Alright, hold on. Let me get that branch out of the way for the customers. Alright, there we go. She's cleared. But yeah, look at this thing. I got the size 1. This thing's like a freaking dirt jumper, dude. It's like a little slope bike with the mullet wheels, dude. Low key could be a 6 setup. Ah! It's just deflecting. Oh yeah, so slow. It just rained so much, if you couldn't tell from the footage. Okay, yeah, there's some branches here. Freaking everywhere. Ton of rain. Trails don't look too bad though, just branches falling everywhere. Go get it. Okay. You know, my coworkers, they ride these bikes on the daily. Seems like they're pretty used to them, but I actually have never ridden a Status before, so it's kind of fun. Oh. What's going on? Sticks everywhere. And it's wet out here. I'm getting all muddy, all sorts of muddy. It's gonna look like I pooped my pants. Have fun. All right. The Yeti here. I feel like way less confident on the bike. Oh. Yeah. Looks pretty clear to me. I'm taking the slow line down. Oh yeah. Just no mud guard on these bikes either. I'm just eating dirt right now. Oh shit. This is a big ass branch. There we go. And that one. And all these little ones. Alright. Back up for another one. We're gonna clear Snake Dance and Hellbender now. On the fucking rental. The status. Oh yeah. It's probably gonna be so slow. I don't trust this thing, man. But I put my riding shoes on, so hopefully I feel a little bit better than I did with the hiking boots. That was kind of sketchy. And man, it's windy today. Whew. Definitely not clearing this jump. It's so slow, it's so funny. Alright. Nothing so far besides a few little leaves on the ground. That's nothing to worry about. And then into Snake Dance. My god, these brakes are loud. Loud ass brakes. Like Mike Kasmer said, I'm just gonna bumble down the trail. I'm a trail bumbler now, full time. Yeah, none of these jumps are clearable right now. Holy crap. It's so wet. Alright. Oh man, I fucking crashed here last week. Like right here. And I didn't get it on video. It's so stupid. I was trying to go left of this like little branch here. And then I think I hit my front brake by accident a little too much, and I like flew into the wall here, and then my bike like rode up the wall here, and I just like flew off the bike onto the trail. So yeah, didn't get really hurt, but I kind of fucked up my thumb. But yeah, other than that, that was just a stupid ass crash. I wish I got it on video. That's not supposed to be here. Get out of there. All right. Gonna clear the rest of the Hellbender. No drop today. I think it goes without saying, I'm not hitting that damn drop on this bike. That's also windy as fuck, so that is not gonna happen, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. What is that? Get out of here. Alright. Can't really put a jump here or something. It's too smooth. And they call it a double black. Alright. Big stick out of the way. Looks pretty good to me. I'm not even gonna try riding Goldilocks, especially not on this bike. Hell no. That's a death sentence. Alright. Tight ass. See all this stuff? Like, it was just pouring rain earlier. I put some videos if I haven't already, but like, we literally haven't. It's 2 p.m. and we just had our First customer, because I mean, who the hell wants to ride in these conditions? Certainly not me. Oh, I gotta get that stick. But yeah, anyways, freaking rain is just everywhere. But now it's beautiful and sunny. I guess that's just how it goes. Alright. Now, I hate on the statuses, but they're actually pretty capable bikes. I mean, I've seen guests hit this Hellbender drop here on the rental bike. It works just fine, but I'm just not used to how it feels, and I'm kind of picky about that, but whatever. Man, this trail really just needs some serious TLC. I mean, goddamn. Alright. She's looking real good now. Alright. Let's ride the rest of this trail. No drop. What's up?
What up?
Nick's gonna rip some laps. We'll see. You know how to use it. So yeah, I was ripping the rental today. Didn't really feel like riding, so Nick came by. Not really a planned thing, but I just gave him the camera, so he ripped a lap or two. And yeah, he's a lot faster than me, so hopefully it's better footage.